So some 38 minutes after 6, live on Ahinkara 3.3 FM. I wish I could speak the Hausa, but unfortunately, I had a bit to me. A crabby pen a bit to me. I know I never similar Herman Rahim, Yakana Budu Yakana Mustaki, and Waka Crabby Aka can meet me. Okay, so it is the Salah special, and yeah, the Emma movie.
Nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice, nice. Mayamaga Awusa, Aishaga Awusa, Samiraga Awusa, Uzomoirawa Awusa. Oh, nice, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice. America kwai Awusa, Ghana kwai Awusa, Italy la kwai Awusa, Suzomoirawa Awusa. Kiche nawa, Kimozomoirawa Awusa Maria, wayo. Oh, nice, nice. Volga akwai Awusa, Tamale akwai Awusa, Bongo akwai Awusa, Suzomoirawa Awusa.
Ahinka FM.
Oh, nice, nice.
Ghana Adisiye, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Maakye.
Oh, nice, nice.
Ghana Adisiye, Obuoba Ofori Amanfo Maakye. Entiana
ba Ahinka 93.3 FM.
Mate. And I can say, be possible. Who say, and then one was sank yeda. Now your programs manager for minim. Say, ya homie and yo. If you don't want me, I'm see there be emra. And your bedroom. Be possible and 41 minutes after 6 live on Ahinkara 3.3 FM. A Salah edition. And I did Ebremo. And into the usual Maakye and Widimono. And then near Danikakra. A Salah edition, ya did Bremo.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice. Oh, nice, oh, nice.
Now, soon you know, and some of the Brenati Agu, and it's Yatna see the Bebremo on behalf of the team. Udia and Kakwami Abuani Dianimu, says executive producer. Abuaf one Dawson. Omokana who is Sinkonya de Bremo, and I don't pay a fix the country, no. Are we on course as a nation? Yan Yoma yet to 200 Sampa. Are we ready to fix the country? And I say, I hear the same Kasakasanwa. But to some people, and as a section of Ghanaians, they are the opinion said we should sustain this fix the country hashtag, you know. Now a new moment put two young leaders in on their toes to do something for this mother country. Internal pray you ever heard na dimu and come on. You bisa say fix the country. And Crawford can hun some ye buru bie, ye chiri bie, na ye DBN, you know. Are we on course? Another interesting one ye galamsey fight. When you say galamsey fight, you don't come one seven and I just say IBB oh. Ye bisa say, and I know and oswafo a wono no hwe bambon sem so de abetu dwa kire say formula say on ba use ye shoot nje ne omu duru ono mo a wan hwe ya omba shoot akun gaga no makun na eno na ebi mu bisa say is it the right way to go ebi mu so che say is the right way to go san say yese kokoram wan fere so betare wo hwene so a onso fere so be yam aduro pa de afam so nti eno so nsem no pa twa de ntiri nyoma na stop wo
nice
ene Eid Mubarak ene nti ya mayenua no mo kramofo nyina barika de sala barika kande Irawo sambi asi ewo achemachi ase eno nam so amampanifo ho isusu dwatire kire se aban na amfane ho anyimu atameshi enti ano prayer ne wo mo assembly member wo ho ebebo nkomo ye bi so mo so omo asempa ne se omo haw ne sen no metimi akire mu edi akire yen. We've got this and many more surprises for you live on Ahinkana 2.3 FM ema refi se eye machi ena ye de ebremo ene no enye the usual one eye sala edie enti se wutie ye ne a ene ma wo barika de salo me wo frɛ me Obuoba Ofori Amanfo.
Oh nice oh nice oh nice oh nice oh nice oh nice oh nice
Allah ɗai na sa waƙata da wani kyauta izin da goro shi ya kage mai mata da wani kyauta Allah ya yi ɗan yaro mai tafiya da tatata
enti ma yamfa afutuo ani nkranhye nsɛmfa ma ye ho as part of a year show no
shugaban kasa babu Buhari ne bazan zaba
and then Christian Futu somewhere they nam as part of a year special Barika de Sala edition. And then we the normal one, no Bibia Wumbi. Bibia Wum, Bibia Sube to me, see, as I have a penalty here. I don't see, and I say, set a standard for yourself. You have to set a standard for yourself. Adia be a we be and one set a standard and farm one set a brand be and farm one must say about dia ye and identify with a certain thing obre what would seem to say is about dia e de ben pa na susu see de be kai wo see about dia na ye about din say den ye about din say brother na anasem ye hujahuja no ana ye about din say brother na anasem ye papa no sister na wo mu hwe no ana sister no obre ne ho ase no. You have to set a standard for yourself, and a typical example can be seen ewo 1 Corinthians chapter 9 the verse 27 senkaye Quran kobeka say surah na eye Holy Bible nti and I made direct to do akọ 1 Corinthians chapter 9 the verse 27. It talks about how wa wutie no obey discipline. So when you're disciplined in life wa bra boy huja oni ama nyina yet say chaff intete ai gu hono mo amframa ebo directing the nefa babia but sa no pay a utie min obeti ase say onipa de abrabo na obo you have to set a standard for yourself. It is not everything and you follow ye di akire ye na nso ye bi da bi nemom ade bu hono mo a e wo say we refrain you ho from it. I was so to be shown so. I told be a nan yomo yan yes to me be obetumi aye. But because of standard now was set yama ho nti no. Sa standard no and e preventive. Say wo lie we na wo se wudim. Eni to be ko na enkrofo abochenku omudi om ho atem a. wo set standard fama wo say sa group no onko join wom so what you say sa group no men join wom ka kire wo say me group we men join it because my set standard bi dia ma me ho a sa standard na ma set ya ma me ho ne ma me kwan e ma nsem no mo keka no mi so mi koka bi onkrofo atwa hia na mo ka sabe anopai adwamansem me pa cho men koka bi. Don't go and join association be like this. Okay, kind Bible can or see inshira ne woman tena afodi for tena bia. So what you say? It is okay tena afodi ni tena bia na ye kan nsem na wo kan bia. You don't expect to say those people are no more tena ho no they will respect you. No. Because they see you say birds of the same feathers they flock together. And no ma woman takra say omutubom. Enti say nyina akwa kotena ho no akwa ye de ye wie na say ye free ho na say woka kire me say I should accord you with the respect you deserve. You don't expect me to say ebebem sa. No. So no. So what you say? Into onipa de abrabo na obon you have to set a standard for yourself. Ye bodia wo say ye ka wo say papa no odi ni huni. Papa no oh you good pa. Obro ne ho asodim kasa. Madam no oh obu ni ho. O te say on huni se woti baabi basa onye me masem won fa mafa da bi na mom obune ho oh efri bro betena mpotem ha ma hu se one oba ba akopɛ efri bro betena ma hu se one be ma ba akopɛ. You have to set a standard for yourself. What you say? Thank you. And in Corinthians chapter 1 1 Corinthians chapter 9 verse 27 ma me nya no fast pa 27 say the or say but I keep under my body and bring it unto subjection, lest that by any means when I have preached to others I myself should be a cast away. Obiante asimi sisubium. But I keep under my body and bring it into subjection. It is sometimes, even if you're going through some hectic and terrible situations, you keep it to yourself. And every day they will see you say, hey, Arati we there, hey, madam we there, hey, mommy we there, hey, papa we there. I say, Bibia ko ye manu, but not Bibia ko you. But sometimes, to continue to protect your respect, you do that. And you'll be out crying your cocoa serabo. Me say enye onipa bia ho ne yakobosia bo se wo koka kire ne se wo ma obosia enye onipa bia sanso na enye onipa bia ne ne tena se kan sumu asem. Set a standard for yourself. So set a standard for yourself, you will be identified, you will be recognized by that. And remember Revi said, yes, people will address you by the way you dress. Said you carry ho sa pepe no be on be address so interpret kasa mama semwa ne meka kusie nyina ne say set a standard for yourself. Ye bodia ma yentumi identify with a particular thing. That thing should be positive tag. I was say ya the papa. And once ye bodia ka se umu ade. I was ye bodia ka se wo de wasem ye basa basa. And once ye bodia ka se wo no okasa anyhow. No, but say ye bodia I was here tag with a positive one. Nyankopon kan ho. Na do munya kese emfa ma yen adum ni nti amen.
Shikaba wa yari darika ya fido halatarka da ubanin kyauta. Shikaba wa sunan karafo gashi wawanka da ubanin kyauta. Ali sa bai na sakai bagana warewa bagana warewa. Shugaban kasa baba Buhari ni kwazan zaba. Gama ake mota shekara ba za yi ba. Jam'iyyar CPC. Nitsatse ake aika ba za mu aiki sauna ba. Jam'iyyar CPC. Ibar ruwa da guga ake yin sa ba da kwando ba. Jam'iyyar CPC. Shugaban kasa mu ba za mu zaɓi kure ba. Shugaban kasa ba Buhari ne kwazan zaba.
Okay.
wanda yayi maka cuta
enti ene a holiday ai wo hwe Ghana yen calendar ne mu dia ene ye holiday so ati ase
ce darajar so ba ko dace ba
ye nyina ye boa ye nuanom musramifo wo mo de na duasa ene di si ho no mo ya akonkyere ne mpaebo
kame gaskiya baba Buhari shugaba babba shugaban kasa baba Buhari ni kwazan zaba wannan akalin Muhammadu dan Abacha zan zaba ni da hankali na ba zan dauki dan kulama ba Aye ta harbin mu ba mu san dalili ba da mai gaskiya baba Buhari shugaba babba akalin kwasai Muhammadu dan janar Abacha baba dan janar uba babba shugaban kasa baba Buhari ni kwazan zaba wannan akalin Muhammadu dan Abacha zan zaba gudun fitan al'umma nake ta waƙewa shugaban kwarai mai gaskiya abun kwaikwayawa janar Buhari a kasar nan ba shi da sa'an gwadawa talakawa suna bayan janar Buhari ne babba janar uwa babba shugaban kasa baba Buhari ne kwazan zaba wannan akalin Muhammadu dan Abacha zan zaba kai mai madici ya ka talla mai zuma a zogon shi janar turare mai kamshi duka sa ana jin shi amo kake janar Buhari duk mai kunne yana jin shi dogaro ga Allah jarin da ya rike baba da ya rike baba gaban kasa baba Buhari ne
enti yehwe na said ye wiemu bobre besi akọ na yemfa nto adwumadi ne so ne yemfa de aka nso mfa nto ato mfa ma enche sports fo no nso ebeba ene wo apuemantamu ye descended ya ba down yen yankasa yen potemo ha no mo anea ewiemu bobre mpanifo kire ne se ene no eyade se anopa no na ewiemu ye se de nsuo wo wiemu no a nenso awia bebo ne awia mo ekese awia bebo ewiemu be se de ndo ewiemu ye se no na minim se epilea ensuo ne bekwa koto somewhere Saturday it is a wohwe enchese na omde aba ne se ya Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. If free next week ekoni nyina no. Ensuo ewiemu na ye share this week no. I say how many na ni bra kwakose ensuo beto ho no mo. Eni timpanimfo a wo hwe pade hunu eni ewiemu bra nsem eso. Ene ye di holiday nti ya frɛ no a ene wo de asend yen. Ene enso so ye de atumu e de amamo. Ye de trending stories e de beto adwumadi ne so de amamo. Maka jo say ne the usual Maakye ya na we enjoy no. Enam sala nti enkosa along the way no abrantie Kofi Mensa Kofi Mensa wabetena bia meti na makwa tena ho no mo sa na tie enti Ibrahim Mahama wins hearts of these NPP bigwigs big wins with his Jata Cement initiative and also some of the ones some ababetu dwa e wa ha san so no asan say this is almost anarchy. It is that how weak we are as a state. Kweku baku fumes and our wakasa dia fa dia ekoso organa no ehon. In fact, and no ye di silent me pesa me said da no. Ye di sala inti me pesa me said da no. But say duru ba bi na wo se ye de tetaria, ye de betetaria ho. Because I don't get it why some security operatives in this country ebinumu they think say so munyawa sa primitive way of rendering justice, you know. Those days they come. They are still repeating that thing, no. We all have to come together and speak against it. And in fact, I was listening to the tales of Kuda, Enra. I felt so bad. And I'm saying, in this 21st century, we call ourselves, say we are practicing democracy. Democracy means obi abetimi a kire na adwen in a good manner, not say be obi tieti obi fa hodie so. And the security operatives that we have in this country, not till date, use primitive method and they render a service. How? And the most annoying part of it all is say they are junior ranks officers. And they think say they have to do one more juma by the time I beg at this rohono. No one is against security agencies in Ghana. In fact, as a matter of fact, I'm here now for 4. Me now for 4 be police for. So what I say, so you don't expect me to come and sit here and speak ill of them. But sometimes, you know, mumu bi no mo ye adwuma mo ye ne adwuma papa. In fact, ye sa soldier for abrano. Ye so mo ye say obey before complain. Do before complain. Etwam. Sa wotiri obi na say to you, o feel say onipa no wetietie amra no so a. And in what the law court, you process the person for court. You don't keep the person somewhere in your guard. Now we molest no. Or in the name of when meaning no, and afraid you on sakano. So if the security agencies think say they are doing their lawful work, and some ones we are also doing our lawful work. What kind of Ghana na yebwe? And today we will talk about it. The government of the day, sa security agency na more building ne. Say ye so mukura or national security one more. Ebi ni mo entie wenu mu asem na ne omo pe no omo ye wo no. De bia me kase se wotete aduane boni ma we yafunu dia ebodondo ma wosa. And nti NPP aban yo mampanya kufu adudi animu. Security agency amo building. Omo hunehuna nkrofo no. Se mo anhwe ni yi a, sa security agency kuro yi a, otena se mo ko opposition na NDC ba na this same security agency no. Omo tete ma monka manuntum. Because I am one of my building this security agency wo ha ye hunu ne nei. Security agency as so mu aye misa wanu asem mpo. Se wasem ye de se wasem nye de. Ye moleste keke. Dabi, is it a crime so be ensem chura adwuma na wo Ghana ha? Is it a crime? We will talk about it. What am I young fast sports in different term? You better na ba sisi ya.